Lil Uzi like my boss.
I don't like. You said Luke. I said I don't like it being hacked. That's what I was about to say, but you thought I was about to say I don't like Lil Uzi, but I listen to Lil Uzi.
Travis Scott.
It's Travis Scott.
I heard Lil Baby. I love Lil Baby.
Nah, I don't mess with 4PF. Shit. I like motherfucking Lil Uzi, yeah, NBA Youngboy, yeah, but motherfucking some underground rappers shit, but their new age shit. You don't know nothing about that. Nothing about that.
Jacob always came in the pack.
What?
Drake sucks.
Drake? I don't listen to Drake.
Yeah, me either. I
I
listen
only
to his
listen to
songs too.
one song, bruh. It's that thing. I don't know what the fuck it's called.
Let me go back.
It's fucking hot. And now I just finished working out. So my body hurt and it's super hot, bro. I got a fucking headache. Yo. And I just pulled my headphones out of my computer. Well, fuck the headphones. Um, I'm about to take this fucking hot ass hoodie off. Yeah, I wear hoodies. I was only wearing a hoodie because it was cold. Shit, it's motherfucking. Now it's super hot. It's more better when it's cold because I like the cold more than the hot. So. Huh?
I hate the cold.
You hate the cold. Not freezing cold, nigga. Like fucking warm, but freezing. It's 3 a.m. Bro. What's your favorite song by your artist that you listen to?
Oh no, that's a lot. I know. I can't move on. My favorite song is Baby Bully.
No. Came on. Nah.
Yes.
This your favorite. That's your favorite artist.
Or 6 9. Shut up.
That nigga a whole rat. But you talking about 6 9? You mean snatch 9? This it.
Those are my favorite male artists.
Nah.
Austin's like Megan Thee Stallion.
I don't like Megan Thee
Cardi
Stallion.
B. What?
I'm not a girl, so I wouldn't shit. I wouldn't like that shit. Motherfucker, I listen to chill shit like this. Motherfucker, I wake up, I listen to this shit. No cap. I found this shit on my favorite YouTube. I had went to download shuffle so I could find the fucking song. And I found it. You know who Baby Santana is, right?
Mm-hmm.
That's the person I'm talking about. Man's fit. He 15 now, but he was 14. A rapper. He the GOAT. Okay. That's one of the underground rappers. I ain't gonna cap. This terribly go slow is cause like it's too many people on the Wi-Fi.
My dad shut my Wi-Fi off.
Huh?
My dad shut my Wi-Fi off.
You still what?
Everybody has Wi-Fi in the house. My dad shut mine off.
You said everybody got their own Wi-Fi?
No, everybody got Wi-Fi on in the house. My dad shut mine off.
You got your own?
No, my dad shut mine off.
Huh?
My dad shut my Wi-Fi off. It's not funny.
Damn.
That's not funny. You can't get everything on YouTube.
You can't even watch YouTube on my phone.
No, I can work my phone because I have unlimited data, but my TV won't work.
Use somebody else's Wi-Fi. You can ask for hotspot either. You can have hotspot. Yeah. I got data on my phone. My phone is stuck on recovery shit. Stuck on this goofy ass shit right here. I had my phone up right there, and it dropped motherfucker down, and it went on this right, but I made it get off of this, and then I don't know how the motherfucker just hit myself in the lip, motherfucker with this phone, and then I went to YouTube, and every time I went to YouTube, I got like this off, but the person that I was watching that helped me get it off of it. I was just doing this shit. Listen. And then my motherfucking smacked the phone. Like, drop it. Like, on the motherfucking deep freezer. Slowly. This shit turned off and turned the screen. And then, when I went to get a new battery, now it's stuck on this. So, yeah. Where you're from? Sir, South Carolina. That far. McDonald's. I was waiting for you to say that shit. Hey, bro. DC.
I'm going to DC in May.
Cat. Why go to DC? Why are you going to DC for? Huh? The visit.
My uncle Larry actually was there.
Hey, cat.
That's not cat. He could get me to the White House.
Next to the White House.
No, he doesn't live next to the White House. He can get me to the White House.
Next to White House. You know how people. Oh yeah, you live by the next White House.
No, he doesn't live by the White House.
Why your voice like that?
I don't know.
Hey, bro. I wish I could call people off this tablet, bro. But I can't. But I had to call people off of duos, bro. Which I don't want to do. It's already bad on my phone don't work. I call people off my computer.
Well, I have Duo.
You got duos.
Yeah.
Google Duo.
Yeah. I got an iPhone. I want to use that when people call me off the games.
Yeah, I can call you off for duos if you want.
Sure.
Sure.
Shut up. I haven't gotten to it.
That's how you sound, though. That's how you sound. Is I'm lying?
Yes.
That's very cap.
Not cap.
Mhm.
Mm-mm.
Mhm.
No.
Yeah.
I don't think so.
No. That's cap. All right. What's your
What?
what's your name, bruh?
Ashlyn, A-S-H-L-Y.
Bruh, you're speaking too fast. You acting like a YouTuber. Oh, this bitch. Oh, today we gonna do it. Yeah, I'm like, damn.
Ashlyn, not Ashley.
I'm gonna call you Rebecca. Alright, you said Ashley, right?
Ashlyn.
Huh?
I said Ashlyn, not Ashley.
Ashlyn, how you spell it?
A-S-H-L-Y.
Damn, bro, I can't even type.
A-S-H-L.
Bruh, my fucking hands, bruh. that's right.
Yes.
What else?
H-L.
H-L-O?
L.
L.
Y.
Y.
N-N.
N? Bro.
2 N's.
Huh?
2 N's.
Yeah, I just put that. Damn.
Right.
Alright, bro, what's your number, bro?
843.
Man, you're talking too fast. 843.
957. 9448.
444? 444? 8?
Yeah.
That's it.
Yeah.
Cat. What the fuck? Who's banging on the door? I'm like, who's banging on the door? Hey, bro. I'm funny. I'm fucking hater. No cat.
Text me. So I'm gonna see.
Dogwood? You Larry Dogwood? I just said it. Let go.
Oh. Okay. Are you gonna call me again or? Hello?
You didn't answer, bruh.
What?
You didn't answer, bruh.
Okay, I'm gonna go and do on that. Bye.
Alright. Big head.
Wait, I can still hear you.
Done.
Okay. Oh.
Bird, chicken nugget. That's crazy, bro. You not picking it up. That's
Okay,
thank you.